Hey Miss Mamas, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makeup Moo, and if you new here, you might hear some sirens, and if not, you already know it's T-Stink. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this 24-inch T-part wig that I got from Yolova hair, because I know y'all tired of getting those hey boo text messages. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay girlies, so this is the packaging for Yolova hair. In the package, they gave me some eyelashes. Girl, they're a little scant, but they cute, okay? Some eyelashes, a wig cap, which I don't use because it'd be too hot for me. And they also sent me some tweezers. And they did put the hair in this really cute bag.
Make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work.
So y'all can see this is a 24-inch wig. Yes, and thank you. She is a T-part wig. She is pre-plucked, but I am going to pluck her a little bit more. And as you can see, she does have wide parting. The wig does come with clips on all sides, but I'm going to actually take that middle part off because it be hurting my head groove. And it also comes with some adjustable straps. So you're going to need some BW2 powder, some 30 developer, and a little bit of rich eggplant from Adore. So I actually learned how to do this little concoction from this girl on TikTok. And when I say this method gets your wig scalpiana. So yeah, girl, you're going to also need a mixing bowl, the little mixing brush, some gloves, and when you wash the powder off the lace, you won't want to use some of that shimmer lights. So I'm basically taking 2 cups full of the BW2 powder, and then I'm going to use like 1 cup of that blue thing. I'm going to use 1 cup of that and like a little bit more. You gonna see. And then mix. And you want to mix it so that she's thick. Like basically, when you lift your mixing brush up, the product should not fall off the brush at all. She needs to be giving thick. I'm talking about like thick. Girl, hold on. Because who dog keep barking? I guess my neighbors done went and put a dog. But yeah, she need to be thicker than a possum at the swap meet, okay? So I like to mix the BW2 powder and the 30 developer until I get a real nice thick consistency, and then I add just a couple of drops of the rich eggplant. I really could have added some more, but it's not that deep. So the purpose of adding the rich eggplant is to basically already neutralize the knots so that it don't look brassy. So before I apply it, I'm going to use some Got To Be spray to lay the hairs back so I don't get no bleach on the hair.
She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make it work. Strike a pose.
So then I'm going to flip her over, and I always forget to put something on my wig head before I be bleaching. I always mess it up, but it's okay. So now you just want to apply your little concoction to your lace. I use the same brush that I use to mix the powder in the developer with, but sometimes I do like to use a plastic knife. Like a plastic knife will give it a real nice smooth even layer, but I ain't have no more, so I just use the brush.
Hit up the salon, she gets the nails and toes. Hair done, neck, wrist, hands froze. She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make it work. Strike a pose, make it work, do your dance, make it work. Strike a pose.
So you want to let this sit for 20 minutes and put aluminum foil on it. I did forget the aluminum foil. So after 20 minutes, I washed it off, and you'll see how it didn't take well because the knots were so dark.
You in positions, curling up your toes, girl. Even when I'm gone, I only want you close, girl. If I win, she win. We count the mills together. If it's real, it's real.
So you see, it's kind of giving Scalpiana, but you can still see the knots, right? So I wasn't satisfied. So I went and put some more bleach on there for like another 15 minutes. But this time I didn't forget the aluminum for you, okay? So now I'm going to wash her off and you're going to see the difference.
Make it work, do your dance. Make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance. Make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, do your dance. Make it work, strike a pose.
See, that looks way better. And let me flip it over so y'all can see the part. Yeah, Scalpiana. So now I'm gonna add the shimmer lights, and I'm gonna use a clean, what do you call this? Little mixing brush. And I'm gonna just put that on all over and let that sit for 10 minutes as well.
We go forever now. We go forever now. Yeah. You know that
Then I'm gonna brush out the hair and add a little bit of silicone mix, and also let that sit for 10 minutes. Because when I took her out the packaging, she did have a slight little perm smell to it, and that's not cute. So I just put some silicone mix, brushed it through and let it sit for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wash all of that out.
Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killing. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm a trendsetter, yeah. You wish that you can do better, no, won't let.
So now I'm gonna use some T-pins and some water, and I put some paper towels underneath so I could really see what I'm doing better. Like the pink works, but using that white towel or white paper towel really makes the difference. Like that tip from Tay is like the best tip you could get. So again, y'all, this is a T-part wig. So what I'm doing right here is parting off the sides to make sure I don't like over pluck by where the tracks need to lay. So I'm pretty much just kind of plucking the center of it so that she don't look too bulky on her, okay? Just pluck her down a little bit more. Yes, she comes pre-pluck, but I personally always pluck my wigs just a little bit more, just so she looks a little bit more realistic.
You know that I'm a trendsetter. You wish that you can do better. No, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. Ooh, we go forever and ever. We go forever and ever.
See, that looks way better. So this is what it's giving. So now I'm going to spray the lace with some Eben lace tint spray. I really like this spray, y'all, and it's so cheap. And I don't know what shade it is. I'm gonna put it in the little description box. But see, now I'm cutting off that little center comb, because I don't really be using those wig caps, because girl, I be too hot and it be hurting my cornrows, be putting on my cornrows, so I always take that part out. So now I'm just kind of like fixing the wig to my head shape to make sure she's giving. And I'm gonna use the Eben Wonder Lace spray. I really like this spray too, y'all. Like if you are a beginner and you do not know how to lay your wigs, girl, go get it. So they got like a yellow one that I use that look like they got to be. That works just fine. But they also got a red can that lasts, like it lasts even longer. But I'm telling you, that yellow can, your wig, it don't move. Your wig, it don't move. I haven't tried the red one yet, but I can only imagine what the red one gives. Like if the yellow one works that good, the red one must be crazy. Okay, y'all, I'm taking a little singing break for you. You know, summer just came out, and girl, she, you know, I love me some summer, y'all. People be hating on her. Leave my little sis alone. So now you want to use the comb to like really press the lace in. Again, y'all, this is a thicker lace. This is not HD lace. I don't think. It wasn't giving HD, but she was still cute. So you just want to spray and use the comb to press the lace into your scalp.
Yeah, you know me, baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. So
right here, I'm just trying to see what the part was giving. What is the part giving? Okay. So now I'm about to try to make some baby hairs, y'all. And baby hairs is really not, like on wigs, I could do baby hair on regular hair good. But like baby hairs on a wig, I'm still working on that, girl. It don't be giving. But I'm gonna try today, y'all. I'm gonna try today. Just keep watching. Also, y'all, when you're using the hot comb, be very careful. Like when I'm using it, I know it look like I'm not being careful, but I really am. Like you want to kind of press it away from your face so you don't burn yourself. And now I'm just adding my little silk band over my head for a little while.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same.
So again, I'm just trying to see what the part will give, and I'm gonna use my hot comb, just you know, just to see a little rough draft of what she giving. And she is giving Scalp Beyond compared to them dark knots she was giving at first. So I'm gonna use the She's Balm wax stick and just apply a little bit. You don't want to use a lot because it will really look too glossy. But just apply a little bit and use your hot comb to press the hair down.
I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well. No.
See the difference the hot comb makes? The other side giving puffy on it and the other side is getting snatched. So yeah, repeat that on the other side, sis.
On a day, babe, I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. Do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. Look, we could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I knowing your attention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special.
So y'all, I did add a little bit of my concealer on my parts. And now I'm using the Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Protector. And I like to put it in my palms to make sure I like distribute it evenly into the hair. And then I'm just gonna flat iron my hair real quick.
You a treasure, feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. No, you can't, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go,
this is what she's giving. She comes all the way down to my waist. So now I'm just cutting the baby hairs, y'all.
Go all night, night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we can go all night.
Like I said, y'all, I'm not the greatest. I'm still practicing, but I wanted to kind of practice like the trendy baby hairs that the girls be doing. You gonna see it was an epic fail, but I tried. Sideburn too long, but I'm gonna cut down the baby hairs. I think it's easier, like when you're trying to flat iron your baby hairs, the longer the pieces, the easier. And then once you kind of shape your baby hairs how you want it, then you can like cut her down some more.
Can you keep up with my tempo? Yeah, blowing up C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know.
Okay, y'all, so this is it. This is the look. This is what the bundles is giving. Okay, yeah, so just my quick final thoughts on this hair. When I took the hair out the package, I did not like that it had a little bit of a perm smell, but the smell did go away when I washed it with a little bit of that silicone, and I really only used a little bit because I did not even have that much in the jar. But the smell did go away. Again, y'all, this is I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is a 180 density wig, meaning she's not that full, but I personally don't mind 180% density wigs because my natural hair is so thick that sometimes my wigs do be giving helmets. So with the 180 wigs, like I can like really get her flat without it still looking a little bit bulky because my natural hair is so thick. Like I don't care how thin I cornrow my hair, girl. She don't like to be cornrowed. She want to be out, and I don't never let her be out, so it just be giving helmet. And also I did have to bleach the knots twice because the knots were really dark. So those are like my only like cons, but other than that, the hair is really soft. It didn't tangle when I washed it. It haven't really shed yet, but again, I just installed it. So yeah, if you guys want to check this wig out or check out other wigs from the company, I will leave a link down below. So yeah, y'all, thank you so much for sitting here and watching me install my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more hair videos, let me know down in the comment section below. And also, don't forget to turn on those, you know, the little bell notifications so you know when a girl upload. Don't play her. But yeah, girl, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.